Hello, this is a video to show how to make hollow cylinder in Blender. We can have three ways to make a hollow cylinder. Firstly, we can go to Add, Merge, and add the cylinder. I close up to view it. We can go to bottom left panel and open it. We can make the setting for the cylinder. In the cap field type, we can fill nothing. And then make sure that we select the cylinder and go to Add Mode. And we can use face selection. Make sure that we select all the faces. I press A to select all the faces and then go to Face. We can choose Extrude Faces or we can use E to extrude faces. I press E and then use left mouse button click to apply the Extrude Faces. And then we can go to Scale and scale it to be outer or inner cylinder. If you make the inner cylinder, take care that we check the face orientation. So if this is red, we can press A to select all the faces and go to Merge and Normals to flip normals to the blue color in the face normal. And then we can go back to Object Mode. So this is the first way to make hollow cylinder. I make the face orientation invisible first and make the first hollow cylinder invisible. The second way to make hollow cylinder, we can add, merge, and add a cylinder. So we can keep it in cap type field nothing. And then we can go to Modifier and add the Modifier properties. Go to Generate. We can use Solidify. So we can adjust the thickness. And we can adjust the offset from negative to positive. So this is the second way to make a hollow cylinder and make the hollow cylinder invisible. The third way, we can add the cylinder and we can fill the cap. We can fill angle. In this case, I will choose fill with triangle fan. And then we can add another cylinder. Go to Add, Merge, and add another cylinder. And we can adjust the size to smaller or bigger. I make it smaller and increase the depth. Looking at this. So we got two cylinders. Now I select the outer cylinder and then go to Modifier properties to add the modifier. Go to Generate. We can choose Boolean. In the object, we can pick the inner cylinder. So make the inner cylinder invisible. So we got the hollow cylinder with Boolean modifier. So this is how we can make hollow cylinder in Blender with three ways. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Martis B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.